ಹಲೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಆರ್ಡಿ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಜುಲೈ 17 ನನ್ನ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆದು ಅದನ್ನ ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಾಗುವುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ the electrochemical series, tricks and the application of the electrochemical series. So let us start now. Now what is this electrochemical series? ಈ electrochemical series ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It is the arrangement of various electrode systems or metals. You know that metals can be converted into electrodes in the increasing order of their standard reduction potential. That is a SRP value. Okay, E is called as the electrochemical series. Now SRP value means standard reduction potential. You have to consider reduction reactions. You have to consider reduction reaction. Okay, now the element can undergo oxidation as well as the reduction. So there are two types of the electrode potential. One is the reduction potential, other one is the oxidation potential. But for us to understand the reaction, how the reaction goes, we have to take either reduction potential or oxidation potential. So in the syllabus, we are going to study only in terms of SRP values. So E naught values, okay, will be given. We can predict the reaction, what type of reaction will be undergoing. Okay. Now, when I say reduction, what is reduction reaction? Let me take zinc. Zinc ion undergoes reduction to give zinc. Okay, and its E naught value is a fixed one in terms of voltage. Similarly, copper 2 plus undergoes reduction to give copper, and its E naught value also fixed. Similarly, aluminium 3 plus can take 3 moles of the electron to give 1 mole of the aluminium. E naught is also fixed here in terms of voltage. Okay. Now, these SRP values can be positive values, it can be negative values. But when you construct this cell, the cell voltage is always in terms of positive values. But individual SRP values can be positive value or can be negative value. That is okay, determined with respect to SHE, you know that standard hydrogen electrode. Okay. Now here there is a column electrode system, electrode reaction and E naught value. Now this is the electrode reaction. All these are reduction reaction. Therefore this E naught value is the SRP value. Correct alwa? SRP value. Now see here, SRP values can be positive, SRP values can be negative. Can you see here? So all these values are negative values and there are positive values also. Correct? And also we have got 0. 0 is for the SHE, standard hydrogen electrode. So these are reference electrode here. Okay, correct. Now see here, on the top, lithium is there. Lithium has got minus 3.05. So we'll have to remember this one on the top. Okay, which element is there? Lithium is there. Okay, after that potassium, magnesium comes. I will give the order for few elements how to remember this order. Okay, no need of behiting the values. Generally, they will give the values in the question. See the last one, fluorine. Fluorine can become fluoride. Okay, fluorine. Fluorine is the oxidized form, fluoride is the reduced form. See here, okay, fluorine undergo reduction, give fluoride ion, and see the value plus 2.87. On the top, we have got lithium, at the bottom, we have got fluorine. This you have to remember. Okay, I'll tell you later about this one. Clear? Now, for time being, you can check here. See the elements they are mentioned. Positive values, negative value. Remember for positive we have got see lithium, potassium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron and nickel. Okay, and also try to remember not the values, okay, but only the metal like copper, silver, gold, platinum. Remember coinage metal, copper vessels, silver ornaments. Okay, then we have gold ornament, platinum costlier one. Correct? These three, one category. Clear? Now I will tell you the trick how to remember. Okay, remember Lee, please send Charlie's monkeys and zebra in cages securely and guarded. Okay, Lee is the name of the scientist. Please send Charlie's monkeys and zebra in cages securely guarded. Okay, Li andre lithium ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Please andre potassium. Okay, K. Send sodium Na. Charlie's andre calcium ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, C ಬರುತ್ತೆ, Ca. Monkeys magnesium Mg and aluminium Al. Zebra zinc Zn. In andre iron Fe iron. Cages C copper Cu. Securely silver Ag. Guarded gold Au. Okay, so you can remember the order. Okay, clear? Now see here, from copper, silver and gold, see these have got positive SRP values and on the top you have got negative SRP values. Right? So try to remember this one. Suppose it asked in the KCT, JEE and NEET. Now see the birthday special first question. Okay, I am going to read the question. A conductivity cell, when filled with an aqueous solution of 0.02 molar KCl at 25 degrees centigrade, had resistance of 250 ohms. Its resistance when filled with 6 into 10 to the power minus 5 molar ammonium hydroxide solution was 105 ohms. The specific conductance of 0.02 molar KCl was 0.277 Simon meter inverse. Molar conductances at infinite dilution of ammonium and hydroxide ions are 73.4 into 10 power minus 4 and 198 into 10 power minus 4 Simon meter square per mole respectively. The question is the degree of dissociation of 6 into 10 to the power minus 5 molar ammonium hydroxide is. So what you can do is write down the solution, take the pic, attach to the mail ID I'll give in the second question. Only there are two questions are there, you have to mail it, I'll give the mail ID also. Okay, right? Now let us see the application part of this one, electrochemical series. Remember students, the first application, metal with the lower SRP values are good reducing agents because they lose electrons easily, they donate electron easily, so they are reducing agents. Metals with the higher SRP values are very good oxidizing agent because they readily gain electrons. Okay, so reducing agent one, they lose electron easily, and the oxidizing agent one, which oxidize other substances, undergoes reduction easily. Okay, right? Second application, metal with a lower SRP value can displace metal with higher SRP value from its salt solution. For example, zinc displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. Zinc, if I take zinc, its E naught value is equal to minus 0.76 volt. It's a negative SRP value there. Plus copper sulfate. E copper sulfate copper is the E naught value is to copper is the E naught value plus 0.34 volt positive value. Okay, so what will happen now? It becomes zinc sulfate, matte copper will be displaced, copper can be precipitated. Nodi, zinc is a reducing agent, copper plus 2. So zinc can donate electrons, okay, to the copper 2 plus, and copper 2 plus become copper 0. That means zinc is a reducing agent agutte. It's a reducing agent, correct? And copper 2 plus enagutte, copper 2 plus is oxidizing agent, correct? Copper 2 plus is oxidizing agent. So reducing agent one, which donates electron, loses electron and donates to some other element. Okay, and copper 2 plus oxidizing agent, it oxidizes zinc to zinc 2 plus. Ili zinc 2 plus agutte, correct? Nenpitಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, lower values are good reducing agent, higher values are very good oxidizing agent. Reverse ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Copper plus zinc sulfate reaction ಆಗಲ್ಲ. There is no reaction because copper is a oxidizing agent. ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಜಿಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜಿಂಕ್ 3+ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಜಿಂಕ್ 3+ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕಾಪರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್? So birthday special is the second question. which of the following compound is the strongest Bronsted acid? ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ದಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, which of the following compound is the strongest Bronsted acid? ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ರೀಸನ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, you can ask anybody, student can answer, teachers can also answer, anybody can answer and send the answers to my email id. Email id ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, rdchemistry@gmail.com. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರೆದು ಓಕೆ ಆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೇಲ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ some cash prizes or some gift will send to you. Okay, right? Next application ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, metal with the negative SRP value. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು am not telling that lower value ಮತ್ತೆ higher value. So negative, specifically negative SRP value can liberate hydrogen gas from dilute acid solution. For example, zinc displaces hydrogen from the dilute acid but copper cannot. ಅಂದ್ರೆ zinc, its E naught value is equal to minus 0.76 volt. It can react with the hydrochloric acid aqueous dilute one. It can give zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಕಾಪರ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕಾಪರ್ E naught value is to 0.34 volt positive value. If I treat with HCl, there is no reaction taking place. Hydrogen gas will not be liberated. Okay, right? ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ zinc is reducing, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ +1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ -1 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ. ಜಿಂಕ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್, ಜಿಂಕ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಟು ದ H ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. H ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ X is equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ. ಬಟ್ ಕಾಪರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಕಾಪರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್, ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ SHE value is to E naught value for SHE standard hydrogen electrode 0 voltage. Okay, so E naught value for SHE is the 0 voltage, H plus ions ಇದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ, ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕಾಪರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್. ಕಾಪರ್ ಗೆ H ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅನ್ನ H ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ H plus it does not exist. So copper act as the now oxidizing agent, oxidation not possible, that's why reaction not possible here. Okay, right? So zinc act as a reducing agent, it can reduce a +1 state to 0 state. Copper cannot do that because copper oxidizing agent, but copper oxidizing agent ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ H plus and 1 ಅನ್ನ H plus 2 ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ because H plus 2 is not existing. Correct and clear? Right? Please like the videos, share the videos, and please do subscribe RD Chemistry. And please also write down the comments in the comment box here. And thank you for your great support. Thank you. Have a nice day.